Hi, John the Flipping Idiot here, and I'm going to give you an unboxing video that's about the Ridgid battery system that's available via special order. So I got myself a string trimmer. It came with a 4 amp hour battery and an extra charger because I'm starting to collect enough batteries that I need more than one charger. So if I need to charge a bunch of them from one day to the next, I know that I have a bunch of batteries charged in the morning. So with that thought in mind and the idea that maybe I just need more batteries also, I was going to go with the holiday special, which was too large. It's the thicker 4 amp hour battery for $99. I saw it in the store walking through there during the holidays, and I thought to myself, well, that's a heck of a deal because I think it's $159 or $169, and it says right on the tag. So quite a bit of savings there for two bigger batteries, but I needed to special order a tool off their website. So I started scrolling through and seeing what other battery deals they had with chargers. So there's a 6 battery charger, but somebody said that they thought it only charges 1 battery at a time, which it could do maybe 6 overnight or something. But I thought, maybe there's a better deal or something that's more appropriate for what I'm doing. And so this is what I went with. Oh, look, it's open. I ended up going with 1 battery, the thin battery, which are nice because they're lighter weight. So there's 2 thin batteries. This is the 2 battery charger. I don't know if it'll do 2 at the same time, but this will give me the ability to charge 4 batteries at the same time, which is pretty good. And then the other thing, though, that really sold it was 2, not just 1, but 2 4 amp hour batteries. So all this, so these would have been $100 in the store. Retail on this about 169 bucks. And then 2 of these, I'm not sure what the thin ones go for, and a charger, which is around, I think it's $50 to $60 for the smaller one that does a single. And so this is a double, so it's probably a $100 charger. But all this stuff was like 160 bucks during the holidays. So absolutely crazy deal. So, and then here's the deal on the lifetime service agreement as I understand it. Ridgid is the only one to offer this that I'm aware of. What you do is you go to their website, you get set up with basically an account, and you give them the model number. So you let them know what the package was. I don't know if there's a model number there, but there's a model number on the tool and also on the battery. So what you want to do is they're going to want to know what the model number is, and then you're going to want to give them the serial number and when you bought it or how you bought it. So you need the information about the purchase. I have some old batteries at home that are probably close to needing to be replaced. But I'm going to mention something really quickly. I'm going to make a video just talking about the lifetime service agreement a little bit. So each battery, they will warranty it for as long as you own the tool. And what that means is if this battery stops working, you get 3-year warranty, I believe. Let's say 5 years from now, this stops working. What you do is if you've registered the model number of the battery, I'm not sure if there's a model number or if it comes with this. Maybe that's the model number there. I'm not sure. But what you do is you register the battery, and each battery has its own serial number. So what you're going to want to do is if you get a new battery to replace it, you take the serial number of the new battery and you replace it on your account for when you recycle the old one. I don't think they do anything with it anymore, but you can drop it off at the store, I believe, to be recycled. So you get your new battery, and it's important that you give them the serial number on the new battery, and then this will be warranted for as long as you own the tool or you're breathing, not sure which. But I am on my older set, I'm on my 4th set of batteries. So it's been great for me because if you say it's $100 for a pair of batteries, that's an extra $400 for a $250 18-volt set I bought probably 12 years ago. So anyways, this is really important that you re-register your new products, or if you get the chargers replaced for some reason, make sure you let them know the new serial number of the product you pick up. So now that I have these out of the package and you've seen what they look like, here's the even beefier one. I'm going to start putting these to work. I have some other stuff I'm going to make some videos about and show you. So at least now I'll be able to do it with a lot of fully charged batteries. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to know how this is all working for me, what I think about it. For me, having a battery that doesn't die out over time and then I have to go pay the same as what I bought the tool for another set of batteries, that is why I like the Ridgid, and I'm a huge fan of this stuff, and I have tons of Ridgid at this point. So again, thanks for watching.